Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a little abscess kit, and it's kind of like a DIY thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, so hope you guys enjoy watching.
Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. You miss your old familiar friends, but waiting just around the bend. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a look of somebody who needs you. When you're lost out there and you're all alone, a light is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look.
So, an abscess kit is important when like you have a climate like ours in Maryland, where it's just really muddy, or if you have like a rainy season wherever you live. It's also really convenient to have one of these like handy, and so you don't have to run out to the store and grab everything when your horse has an abscess. You got it all right here. And so I really recommend one of these and make your own. So to make one, you should have some Epsom salts to help when you soak your horse's hoof. You should have some hot water handy too. So like I bring down a old milk jug, wash it out and everything, and then just have a gallon jug of hot water. And then, so that would go in the kit. And you can get Epsom salts from like Walgreens or like the dollar store, or Target, anywhere. I also have gauze sponges to help absorb anything. And you could use pads, you could use gauze wrap. I saw some people use cotton balls. I'm not really sure how they work, like cotton balls, how much, oh, stink bug. And yeah, I use gauze sponges, that's just because what we have around. And it just helps absorb stuff very well. And I put that in there. And I also have vet wrap to wrap it. Hold the gauze on, and duct tape. And that's my last thing that goes in there. And I got one roll just from Home Depot, and the other one's just from the dollar store. And that's just to waterproof it when you wrap the horse's hoof. And so that is it. I'm all done the abscess kit. And here's just what it's made up of. So there's Epsom salt, duct tape, vet wrap, and gauze pads. And my Epsom salt kit, this doesn't also always have to be the same, but these are, other ones are more recommended. I recommend having these three. This could be like women's period pads or like diapers. Literally anything absorbent, but also somewhat sanitary. So, hope you guys enjoy that video. And yeah, please comment down below if you know of anything like DIY things you want to see more of on here and stuff like that. And wow, I just made my hair a mess. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. Oh, and don't forget to check out my Instagram. It's a lot more funner than my YouTube because I don't have a lot of time to film YouTube videos. This was kind of filmed in these 3 minutes that I'm filming it currently. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this and have a great winter, and let's hope this rain goes away. Cross your fingers. Yeah.